Okay guys, welcome back. I went to Target today. I got this one, the crocovile 2026 new truck. Here it is, guys. I love the casting on this, the crocovile. Here's the back. Name: crocovile, truck type creature, strength, swamp beast, crash attack, gator crush. So all I need for this mix is the fire rescue and the silverback attack, and have this set complete. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty nice casting. Let's go ahead and open it without further ado. Ooh, okay. Green metal flake, which is nice. Ooh, look at this, guys. Okay. I love the chrome motor. Dark blue roll cage, but it's lighter on camera. In person, it's dark blue. Yellow beadlocks with black dots. Or black beadlocks, black tires. Black rims, green tires. The front of the crocodile. Green metal flake, which is nice. The tail's actually casted like the Mega Rex, which is cool. This crocovile in the teeth. I think it's a 124 scale too, which I want to get soon. Black chassis. Back of it, no taillight printing. I love the chrome insert, and it's scaly. Has texture, which is nice. You can actually feel like a crocodile. So, monster trucks. And this is plastic here. All this is metal, but the plastic bits is the motors and the mouthpiece right here at the bottom. So there's this one, guys. I love the green tires. Got one more to go. Peace out.